Hello and welcome to my channel. On my channel you'll find motorcycling, camping, hiking, cycling and lots of other things. That's grand. Well, hello, it's John. Welcome to my channel. And what a funny day I've had today. I've got permission to come into this woodland, and look at all this, unbelievable. And my sister-in-law gave me this hat from Ramir's bushcraft thing. So I said I'd wear it. And look at all this I've got to go at. Open spaces and lot. I can't believe it. Well, I'm going to cook some grub. Well, I'm almost set up now. I've got a little shelter, keep sun off my face because of my eyes, and got my cooking equipment, very simple, and I've got a load of twigs and leaves and twigs. Look at all the twigs. Not going to run out here. And I've got a little lick cider twig burning stove, so I'm going to attempt to boil some water on that. Sod that. I don't believe it. I think we've got blast off. Even though I cheated with the lighter. I'll get there. We've got the little stove going now, and boiling some water. Ready for my meal. If I'd have persevered, I'd probably done it with the lighter, but I took the easy way out and lit the leaves with the stove lighter. Practice makes perfect, I suppose. Well, while I'm waiting for my water to boil, Just look at this. Spring is sprung. They're all daffodils. A right place to do a bit of bushcrafting. Well, my pasta has cooked and I'm just burning off the little twigs on my twig stove. So wait for this to cool off a bit and I'll have my dinner. Well, I've hit on lucky here and it's so easy to make a shelter anywhere in this wood, and I'm just boiling some more water for a coffee. I've had my pasta and it was lovely. I have an endless supply of twigs for the twig stove, so it means all my cooking, heating while I'm here is for nothing. Piles of twigs everywhere. Over there, look. It'd be marvellous. Yeah, I'm new to this bushcrafting game, but I've got to say, it's addictive. Anyway, that's nearly boiling. So I'll grab this in a cuppa. Well, I'm having another brew. A Taylor's coffee bag this time. And, well, what an enjoyable lunchtime it's been. I suppose it helps with the weather, because it is nice and warm. But I have been doing this kind of stuff in snow as well, and that were alright, to be honest. But I suppose it makes it even better when you've got permission on you've got your own land to do this kind of stuff on. So I'm chuffed to death. And she even gave me an hat and all. Shield my eyes after my surgery. So I think we'll pack it up here, and I'll get packed away when I finish my coffee. I'm in no hurry, and I've definitely not to leave any trace here, have I? Absolutely brilliant. The great outdoors. Catch you on the next video.